Okay guys, morning. This is the facelifted BMW 5 Series F10, F10 5 Series. It comes with the M Sport body, M Sport bumper in the front. There is a big fog lamp yang sangat besar. So the facelifted one comes with this BMW adaptive LED. So this is very nice. The pattern inside the headlight is very nice. Okay, sangat cantik corak dia kat dalam. So perbezaan dia tak banyak dengan F10 yang sebelum ni. Hanya bumper di depan, lampu besar, rims, dan belakang pun lebih kurang sama. Okay, the changes, or rather the facelift improvements compared to the previous F10 on the exterior is not really a lot. Comes with the M Sport bumper. The headlamps are different, LED headlamps. And then the back, let's check out the back. The back is almost the same. Belakang dia hampir sama, except for this reflector. The old one doesn't have reflector. This is a 520i, but this guy aspired to have M5 on his car, so he put the M5 badging. Okay, this is definitely an F520i or 528. Let me check. Let's check out the spec of this car. Mari kita tengok spec dulu. Jangan kita merepek. Okay. Okay, let's check out the spec of this car. Oh, it's a 520i. 520i M Sport LCI F10. So the color is called carbon black. The trim is also black, and it's a 2016 car. Yeah, 2016 car. The mileage is 83,000 and one previous owner. Okay, so although it's called carbon black, but you look at it, it looks a bit bluish. Nampak agak biru sikit. Walaupun nama dia hitam, tapi dia nampak agak biru sikit. So rims dia ada rupa dia macam ni. So let's check out the tire size. This guy has already changed his tires to what? Maximus. Yeah, Maximus SM1. So the model is called Max Track and is a run flat tire. Okay, it's a run flat tire. It's 245 45 18. Yeah, 245 45 18. I'm not sure, I'm not familiar with this tire, but run flat tires are hell of expensive, bordering at around $1,000, minimum of $1,000. Okay, the back tires are Dunlop. So it's 275 40 18. Dunlop SP Sports Max. Is it a run flat tire? I'm not sure. I'm not sure whether it's a run flat tire or not. Nonetheless, your tire is a 2017 tire. So this tire can last you for another year. Kalau anda beli kereta ni, boleh tahan lagi 1 tahun lah. Tire dia tahun 17 . So carbon black. Nama dia carbon black. Color dia carbon black, tapi nampak biru sikit. So let's check out the inside of this car. This is one of my favorite cars. Okay, on the inside, this is hard PU. You get a trim. Okay, this is like a spiral trim or something like that. Then you get a chrome, setting chrome. I love this door handles. It's so sexy. Tengok bentuk dia begitu seksi sekali. Dia melengkung-lengkung dah. Okay, very nice. This is leather. This is leather, Dakota leather. And then you have a speaker at the front, your memory seat 1 and 2. Because it's an M Sport trim, you get your M door seal. There is only 8-way, no lumbar support. Is there a yeah, M cars always will get the manual thigh support. Okay, so this is your cockpit view. Ini adalah pemandangan cockpit anda. Very much similar to the old F10. Okay, your 2010 F10, all the same, except let me tell you what's the differences. Okay, if you are really interested in BMW 5 Series, the F10, I can tell you the differences. Number one, because this car is a M Sport trim, it comes with an M Sport steering. This guy added the blue color, so ugly. I would take it off immediately. The steering is leather. This guy's hand is a bit rough, so therefore the leather has been really polished to be very, very smooth. Okay, the first difference of the F10, old F10 and this facelifted one is the digital meter. The old F10 uses analog meter. The facelifted one has got semi-digital meters. Okay, that's the one. This box is the same. You open your boot from there, and you get this spiral, what do you call it? Spiral pattern. Because this is M Sport. Sebab kereta ni M Sport, maka anda dapat warna spiral ni. Kalau dia biasa punya F10 facelift, sini adalah piano black ataupun warna brown. Okay, then you get the setting chrome. This part all the same. Start stop button the same. Buttons are all the same. Design language all the same. You have a power socket here with your cup holders, and then your electronic parking brake, and then this is how you open your center console. You have one USB-A and you get one power socket inside. Okay, you get auxiliary jack. Okay, and what do you get in the felt? This is your glove box. Look at the door. You get your spiral pattern at the side with setting chrome. This is the seat. Ini adalah seat dia. Only difference with the normal seat is you get some stitching here to make patterns. Right? So otherwise, this is also the same. Yeah, it's also the same. The lights, let me see. Yeah, you get yellow lights. Okay, and then this is the, because it's an M Sport car, black color roof lining. Okay, so let's go to the back of this car. Okay, back of this car, you get rear sunshade. Okay, you also have an extension here for your rear sunshade for privacy. Your spiral pattern, your setting chrome, your door handles, very nice Dakota leather, very, very sturdy, very, very hardy. Can last you 10-20 years. This is your M door seals. And then this is the back seat of the 520i M Sports. 520i M Sports. And you get this funny stitching just to make up for like some sort of pattern. Okay, cost savings lah. Just simply stitch a few lines and you get a pattern there. Okay, your rear aircon vents, you get 3-zone climate control. You can control your fan speed and your climate. So this is the front of your cockpit. Ini adalah pemandangan cockpit anda. Very nice. Semi bucket seat, semi bucket seat. Very, very nice. Okay, yellow lights here at the back. Okay, the seat here is very, very comfortable. Tempat duduk ini adalah sangat-sangat selesa sebab 5 Series normally you can have a driver as well. So it's very, very comfortable. Leg room quite okay because I pushed this seat a bit too far behind. But you have a hump here. Ada satu bonggol di tengah. So if you want to sit 5 person in this car, possible. But the middle person have to be a bit shorter. You get your aircon vents on the B pillar. Okay, ada corong aircon di sini juga. So you get the aircon vent here. So this is really an executive car. So very, very nice. You have an ashtray here. And good and bad lah. I can't even open. Okay, so oh, very nice. Okay, that's the beauty of Continental cars. When you close the, when you slam the door, it's very, very nice. So this is the back. Let me see if I can open the boot. Okay, I can. So the boot looks quite big. Okay, look, quite big. Can put about 3 or yeah, you can put 3, at least 3 golf bags. Okay, very, very big. Sangat-sangat besar. Okay, so there is a power tailgate. No battery. Okay, so that is the BMW F10 520i. Very, very nice. Okay, jangan lupa like, share dan subscribe. Bye bye.